So hi, I'm Marta. I work as CTO in NordicNeuroLab, and I would like to present our new software platform called NordicMediva, and currently is available with perfusion analysis capabilities. NordicMediva is an analysis platform that can receive DICOM data from, for example, an MR scanner or PACS, and that automatically does analysis, for example, perfusion, and then sends the results of that analysis, the output maps, to a remote entity, for example, PACS. So here we see DICOM data coming from the MR scanner, being automatically processed by NordicMediva, and then the output maps are sent to PACS. Inside the platform there are many parts. First, the incoming data is received and sorted. Then a pipeline takes the data through the various plugins that will analyze the data. So far we have added motion correction and DSC perfusion capabilities. We will also add additional plugins, and it's possible to integrate third-party plugins. Each plugin has specific analysis settings, which can be specified by the user. After the analysis is done, a DICOM expert prepares the output maps and sends the output maps to a remote DICOM entity that is specified. NordicMediva can be installed in the cloud, at the hospital server, or on a local computer. The administration of the server is done through something we call NordicMediva Dashboard. This is a web-based tool where the user has full access to all configuration of the system and analysis settings. Here you can decide what should happen to the incoming data, which plugin should be applied to the different data that comes in, which the analysis settings should be used for the various data, and where the results should be sent to. You can also monitor the queue, do user administration, meaning that not all users must have access to all settings. In the dashboard, you can also easily change settings and create new pipelines, and since it is web-based, you can have easy access from any computer. I will now show you the different types of workflows in the system. In the standard workflow, data is sent from the MR scanner to PACS, and it will be automatically analyzed by the NordicMediva platform based on the specifications the user has defined. And the results will be sent to PACS. So this process typically takes a few minutes at max. So the user that will evaluate the results will sit in PACS and study the already processed perfusion maps created by NordicMediva and do his evaluations based on this. In this setup, the user does not need to access the dashboard on a daily basis. This is only necessary for system configuration, or if one wants to change the analysis settings or create new pipelines. However, sometimes there might be a need to reanalyze the current case with different settings. And since the dashboard is web-based, the user that evaluates the perfusion maps can easily access the dashboard from his computer. And from here, it is really easy to change the settings and initiate a reanalysis. And the new results will then be sent to PACS immediately. Another scenario that might occur is when you want to do more advanced interactions with the perfusion output maps, interactions that might not be available in the PACS system. So in this case, the user will access the viewer, this is still under development, where dedicated tools for data interactions are present. The viewer is a web-based streaming server, so it can be accessed from any computer or directly from your PACS. So new output maps and other outputs that are created when interacting with the data in the viewer will be sent to PACS, and since the streaming server and the analysis platform run in the same environment, reanalysis is fast and convenient. There are other videos where we show how the typical analysis is done and where we explain the different features of the platform and the plugins. Thank you.